Hi, Kerry here again. Just wanted to touch base with you about a hot topic that I get asked about quite frequently. Is my conservatory going to be too hot in the summer, or is my orangery conservatory going to be too cold in the winter? We know this can be true in the past, and honestly this is often down to the type of glazing that's been used. But now technology has moved on so far, and we here like to use some of the best quality solar glazing that you can buy. This enables you to create a space that you can use all year round. Whilst your choice of glazing is absolutely a very important consideration when looking at your orangery or conservatory, also is the type of windows and doors that you're going to be installing. That could be bifold doors, for example, and whilst they're very on trend, also sliding doors are a fantastic option to consider. Another option to consider when thinking about ventilation, and one we always recommend, is the addition of roof vents. Hot air rises, and having vents in your orangery or conservatory allows the hot air to escape, therefore helping to create a comfortable living space for you and your family.